in the ash of a dead star. Carbon learned my name. Black dust in the cradle, bones in the flame. 6 little protons holding the line. I was just a rough stone waiting for time. Pressure in the dark, heat in my hands. First I was a whisper, and I became carbon to go.